Hello everyone! If you're looking for a diet routine that will help you lose weight, the keto diet is the best option. The keto diet is based on a low-carb, high-fat diet plan which helps your body to burn stored fat for energy. This leads to fast and sustainable weight loss without having to starve yourself. Plus, following a keto diet is incredibly simple and easy to stick with long-term. If you're ready to start losing weight, the keto diet is the perfect choice and we'll tell you 5 reasons why this is the best diet for weight loss. Don't miss out on our next episode. Subscribe and get your hands on the latest stories before the rest. The first reason is that keto is a completely normal metabolic function. So keto has some traits that are reminiscent of the Atkins diet and other low-carb plans. The keto diet involves dramatically reducing your carbohydrate consumption and substituting fat instead. This dietary alteration will put your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. Ketosis is a completely normal metabolic function. Essentially, when your body doesn't have enough glucose for energy, it will burn stored fat instead. Glucose is created when carbohydrates are broken down inside your body. Cutting carbs from your diet means less glucose for your body to burn up. Replacing carbs with fats will cause acids called ketones to build up in your body. The goal is to force the body to derive its fuel from fat rather than carbs. While your body is in ketosis, it becomes extremely efficient at burning fat. The second reason is that ketogenic diets can trigger major reductions in your blood sugar and insulin levels, which has additional health benefits. Ketogenic diets are effective for losing weight and lowering risk factors for certain diseases. While low-fat diets are traditionally recommended for those looking to shed pounds, research shows that keto is, in fact, a superior approach to weight loss. Moreover, keto can help with improved mental focus. Excess carbs can cloud your thinking, whereas lowering your carbs eliminates the blood sugar spikes and keeps you more alert. The ketones created from this process are an excellent source of brain fuel. A ketogenic diet also increases your intake of healthy fatty acids that support our brain's functions. All these lead to improved focus and concentration. The third reason why keto diet is great is that unlike many diets, keto will not leave you feeling hungry after eating a preset number of calories for the day. Keto is a satisfying and filling method of dieting. In fact, you can lose weight without tracking calories, something that deters many people from adhering to other diets. There are several reasons why keto is more efficient than a low-fat diet, including increased protein intake. Higher protein intake is advantageous for weight reduction and metabolic health. Unlike with calorie restriction, keto helps you lose weight by putting your body into ketosis. When you eat minimal carbohydrates, your body produces ketones for energy. Ketones are made in your liver from fatty acids found in food or your own body fat. Therefore, your liver actually burns fat to make ketones. Ketones are used for energy in lieu of carbs. The fourth reason why keto is a great option is that as your body steadily burns fat as a fuel source, you'll start to lose weight. You may be wondering if keto can target specific problem areas, such as belly fat. Burning belly fat is high on the priority list for many people. The fat in your belly is visceral fat, which is a dangerous type of fat that lives deep inside the abdomen, encasing your internal organs. Visceral fat is linked to heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Technically, you can't spot target fat areas for reduction. Your body decides where weight loss will occur. However, keto may be useful for eliminating stubborn belly fat. Belly fat, or visceral fat, comes from a combination of genes and a diet high in refined carbs and sugar. Visceral fat can easily become inflamed, making it incredibly stubborn to lose and dangerous to surrounding blood vessels. A well-formulated keto regimen has strong anti-inflammatory effects, making it easier to drop stubborn belly fat. Keto alone likely will not be enough to lose a large amount of fat. Keto works well in combination with high-intensity interval training exercises. Always consult with your doctor before beginning any new diet or exercise plan. The last and fifth reason why keto is a great choice is that you can tailor-make the diet to suit your needs. You can go for a diet that has meat and fish in it, or you can choose a vegan version of the keto diet also. In addition, you can customize the diet in case you face any side effects. To minimize these side effects, you can ease your way into keto. For instance, you could try a more traditional low-carb diet for a few weeks before going full keto. This process can train your body to start burning more fat before you totally remove carbs from your diet. A ketogenic diet can also alter your water levels and mineral balance. You may want to add extra salt to your food or consider taking mineral supplements to restore normal balance in your body. And that's a wrap. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.